Greece, the land of ancient history, stunning beaches and delicious food, is a dream destination for many. Imagine yourself living and working in this beautiful country, soaking up the Mediterranean sun and experiencing the vibrant Greek culture. If you're considering making this dream a reality, you'll need a Greek work visa. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. This guide will walk you through every step of the process, making your journey to working in Greece as smooth as possible. Let's start by understanding the different types of work visas available, so you can determine which one suits your needs best. From the sunny shores of Crete to the bustling streets of Athens, Greece offers a unique and rewarding experience for those seeking new opportunities. So grab a cup of Greek coffee and let's dive into the world of Greek work visas. Before you pack your bags and brush up on your Greek, it's crucial to know which visa you need. Greece offers a variety of work visas, each tailored to different employment situations. Let's explore the most common types. First, we have the National Work Visa, your ticket to long-term employment in Greece. This visa is ideal if you've landed a permanent job or have a fantastic business idea you want to bring to life in the heart of Greece. Next, the EU Blue Card is your fast track to working in Greece if you're a skilled worker from outside the EU. This visa offers numerous benefits and is perfect for professionals looking to contribute their expertise to the Greek workforce. Finally, we have the Seasonal Work Visa, designed for those seeking short-term employment during peak seasons. If you're drawn to the idea of working in the tourism industry, perhaps at a charming seaside cafe or a bustling restaurant, this visa might be your perfect match. Each visa comes with its own set of requirements and conditions, so understanding your options is essential. In the next section, we'll delve into the eligibility criteria for obtaining a Greek work visa. Let's explore the general eligibility requirements for a Greek work visa. Requirements vary, but here are the basics. You'll need a valid passport with at least 6 months remaining. Prove sufficient financial means through bank statements or employment proof. Provide proof of accommodation like a hotel reservation or lease. Additional criteria may include health insurance and a clean criminal record. Check with the Greek embassy for the most up-to-date requirements. Congratulations! You've decided to embark on an exciting adventure to work in Greece. The first step is securing a job offer from a Greek employer. This is crucial for your work visa application. Start your search online through reputable job boards, or directly on Greek company websites. Networking is also valuable. Attend industry events or join online forums. Impress a potential employer with your skills. They will initiate the work permit process. This involves applying to the Greek Ministry of Labor, paving the way for you to join the Greek workforce. With these in hand, you're well on your way to making your Greek dream a reality. Section 5, Step 2, Gathering your essential documents. With a job offer and work permit in hand, it's time to gather the necessary documents for your visa application. This step is crucial, so it's essential to be organized and ensure you have everything you need. First and foremost, you'll need a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity remaining beyond your intended stay in Greece. Make sure your passport has enough blank pages for visa stamps. It's always a good idea to make photocopies of your passport's biographical page and any previous visas, just in case. Next, you'll need to complete the visa application form. You can usually find this form on the website of the Greek embassy or consulate in your home country. Fill out the form accurately and honestly, using clear and legible handwriting. Any discrepancies or inaccuracies could lead to delays or even rejection of your application. Remember to gather supporting documents such as your employment contract, educational and professional qualifications, and financial statements. It's best to check the specific requirements listed on the embassy or consulate's website, or contact them directly to confirm the complete list of documents needed for your visa category. Section 6, Step 3, Completing your visa application. Now that you've gathered all the necessary documents, it's time to complete your visa application. This process involves submitting your application form, supporting documents, and visa fee to the Greek embassy or consulate in your home country. Before submitting your application, double-check that all information is accurate and complete. Any errors or omissions could lead to delays or even rejection. Pay close attention to details, ensuring that all dates, names, and addresses are consistent across all documents. Once you're confident that your application is in order, it's time to submit it. You can do this in person at the embassy or consulate or through their designated visa application center if applicable. Make sure to follow their specific instructions on scheduling an appointment, if required. Submitting your visa application is a significant step in your journey. Remember to keep copies of all documents for your records, and be prepared for a potential interview as part of the application process. Section 7, Step 4, Paying the visa application fee. With your meticulously completed visa application submitted, it's time to turn our attention to the visa application fee. This fee is essential for processing your application, so it's crucial to understand the payment methods and any associated details. The visa application fee varies depending on your nationality and the type of visa you're applying for. It's best to check the Greek embassy or consulate's website, or contact them directly to confirm the current fee for your specific situation. They'll typically accept payment in local currency, and the accepted methods may include cash, credit cards, or bank drafts. Ensure you have the correct amount ready, as some embassies or consulates might not provide change. Paying the visa application fee is a straightforward but crucial step in the process. Make sure to obtain a receipt as proof of payment, and keep it safe with your application documents. This receipt will be helpful for any follow-up inquiries or as evidence of payment during your visa application process. Section 8, Step 5, Your visa interview making a great impression. Congratulations on making it to the visa interview stage. This step provides you with an opportunity to meet with a consular officer, answer questions about your application, and demonstrate your genuine intention to work and reside in Greece. During the interview, the consular officer might ask about your reasons for wanting to work in Greece, your employment history, your ties to your home country, and your plans for your stay in Greece. Be prepared to provide clear and concise answers, backing up your statements with supporting documents whenever possible. Dress professionally, maintain a positive attitude, and answer all questions honestly and respectfully. Remember, the consular officer is trying to understand your circumstances and assess the legitimacy of your application. Your cooperation and transparency play a vital role in the decision-making process. The visa interview, while it might seem a bit nerve-wracking, is simply a conversation to confirm the information you provided in your application. Approach it with confidence, be yourself, and view it as an opportunity to express your enthusiasm for joining the Greek workforce. Section 9, Step 6, The Waiting Game Visa Processing Time. After successfully completing your visa interview, it's time for the waiting game to begin, the visa processing time. This period allows the Greek authorities to thoroughly review your application, conduct necessary background checks, and make a final decision. The visa processing time can vary depending on several factors, including your nationality, the type of visa you've applied for, and the volume of applications being processed at the embassy or consulate. It's essential to be patient and understand that these things take time. While you wait, it's a good idea to periodically check the status of your application online or by contacting the embassy or consulate. They can provide updates and inform you if any additional documents are required. Remember that rushing the process or bombarding the embassy with inquiries won't expedite the decision. Use this time to finalize your travel arrangements, brush up on your Greek language skills, and prepare for your exciting new chapter in Greece. Section 10, Step 7, You're in. Registering your stay in Greece. Congratulations! Your visa has been approved and you're all set to embark on your Greek adventure. But hold on, there's one final step. Registering your stay with the local authorities upon arrival in Greece. Within 3 days of arriving, you'll need to visit the nearest Aliens Bureau or police station to apply for a residence permit. This permit serves as your official identification while living and working in Greece. During the registration process, you'll typically need to provide your passport, visa, employment contract, proof of accommodation, and biometric data, such as fingerprints. The authorities will review your documents and, if everything is in order, issue you a residence permit. Remember, registering your stay is not merely a formality, but a legal requirement for all foreign nationals staying in Greece beyond the initial visa validity period. By following this final step, you'll ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience throughout your time in Greece. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey to working in Greece starts now. Obtaining a Greek work visa might seem like navigating a labyrinth, but with the right information and preparation, it's an achievable goal. Remember to start the process early, gather all the necessary documents, and be patient throughout the application process. Double-check that your application is complete and accurate, and be prepared to answer questions during your visa interview. Once your visa is approved, register with the local authorities upon arrival in Greece to ensure a smooth and legal stay. Working in Greece offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in a rich culture, embrace a new lifestyle, and contribute your skills to a thriving economy. Embrace this exciting chapter and make the most of your Greek adventure.